The central government has introduced the new Motor Vehicle Act. As you know, fines are supposed to be increased. There has been so much debate. On my own responsibility, after discussing with my Honorable Chief Minister and informally in the cabinet, we have withheld making that applicable to Goa. Actually, it is our job to make it applicable in entire Goa as soon as possible. If you look at the recent reply given in Rajya Sabha, it looks like Goa is at the bottom, not collecting any new fines, and we don't want to follow law as mandated by the center or directives as mandated by central ministry. And if we continue doing this, we will be seriously committing a grave mistake, because tomorrow if we again move the center or the Ministry of Surface Transport or National Highways under Sri Nitin Gadkari ji and under Mr. Singh who is there, then why will they consider our proposal? They will say you are trying to follow your own rules. But because of the peculiarity of Goa, bowing to the sentiments of the people because of excessive rains, we had unusually huge potholes, huge craters I will call them. But because people had to travel through that sort of terrain, at that point of time I said until the roads are reasonably repaired, unless the potholes are filled, I will not implement the new Motor Vehicle Act. And by no means we will stop implementing the new fines from January. So I want the people also to get educated. I also want in the whole of December, my department also have instructed them have some sessions or programs for the people to educate them. Why are they worried about such high fines? If you don't break the law, if you don't commit the offence, you will not pay any fine. So whether it is 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, or from 1000 rupees to 10,000, why should it matter when you don't break the law, when you follow the traffic rules?